Welcome to BSN 307, Healthcare Informatics and Technology. When you first log into Blackboard, the first area you'll see are the announcements, which are weekly messages from the faculty keeping you on track to complete the week's assignments. And then there's a link here for Start Here. And if you click on there, you'll see that there's course information about the faculty as well as the syllabus and the final study guide. There's also some information about the expectations of the weekly group discussion and the attached rubric. And if you have any issues with technology, you can submit a help desk ticket there. The next area to look at is the discussions. So this is the main discussion board, and this is where the small group leader will be submitting or uploading the assignment or the final synthesis of your group discussions. And when you go into the groups area, you'll actually go straight to your group. I see all 5 groups, but each group should have between 4 to 5 students, and I will be managing that to make sure that there's some balance. For the group discussions, there's also a group discussion board link here, as well as the 2 areas of group assignments. So there's a group project and a learning team contract that needs to be submitted there as well. For the group discussion board, there's an area for asking each other, and this is where your discussion should be. Offline discussions using text or other online tools is not approved. It is not the required method of communication. The required method, of course, is Blackboard. For the weekly modules, you'll see that there's a link here on the left-hand side, and for each week there will be information regarding what is required or what needs to be submitted. On the APA resources link, there's a lot of information here for students to review, as well as student resources link that has policies and procedures. So let's go ahead and review the syllabus. So the syllabus is on the link on Start Here, and you can review all the different areas, including the grading criteria. 75% of the grade of your grade will be through individual assignments, and the group assignments will be comprised of 25%. A C is required to pass this course, and if you're not able to, you will be required to repeat the course. There's other policies you can review as well. The area I want to highlight right now is in late assignments. So assignments submitted late with prior approval will be reduced 5% for each day they are late, including holidays and weekends. Assignments submitted late without prior approval will not be given credit. So just be aware of that. There are some other policies as well, and let's get to the course calendar. For this course, the course will be running between Saturdays to Fridays. Due dates will fall on Fridays. So all these dates here on the left-hand side in the column of due is a Friday, and with the coinciding week that it will be associated with. There are topics for you to review, as well as the evaluation, meaning where you're going to be submitting these deliverables and assignments, and how many points are associated with each one. There's also on the start page, as I mentioned earlier, a final exam study guide, and this will review all the different topics that will make you successful in taking that final exam. It's 40 questions and it's worth 20 points. And there is a grading rubric for discussion board postings. There are 4 areas for you to be able to achieve half a point, which totals the 2 overall. If you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor. And if your instructor is not available or not able to answer that question, you can forward your question to your BSN coordinator. Thank you so much. Have a great semester.